I'm gonna graft blood orange. This is a size I'm gonna use. I'm gonna get a couple more. I have this cool tool, which I'm just gonna use the branches that I would probably end up trimming anyway, because just for the pathway. I'll just get a couple here. And we'll see how they do. We'll take them over there to my dad's tree and go from there. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to use, and you can see here this is it right here. See the shape? So I'm going to fit them like a puzzle piece. I'm going to tape it up. Actually, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put a little bit of rooting hormone on there, just to help it stick a little bit. And then maybe in a couple months we'll see if these leaves start to grow out here. I'm going to put a little bit of this on it, take root. This is mostly for cuttings to root them, but I just want to do a little experiment and see if this has any effect, if it helps at all. Alright. Let's see how this goes. Okay, this is just, I'm going to show you how this tool works. You see the little groove in there? So what you do, I'm going to cut off that piece. And if I can show you, okay, so that's the way it should look on the other piece. So when you do your splice, your groove, that's the way it's supposed to come together. And yeah, and then you tape it. It's like a little puzzle piece. Should be good. So we'll see how these look in a while. Probably, I don't know, I'm saying at the end of spring. We'll try and see what it looks like. See if it's got any leaves, if it picks up any leaves now. So yeah, that's the way you use this. And you got a couple of different little for, you know, if you have thinner plants, this is more like it locks in. I should probably try this one. This one's a little bit longer, and the one I have is kind of in between both of these, long with a little bump on top. So yeah, and let's see here. So I'll try to this is gonna not be good. Let me see if I can, I don't know if I cut that off, that's gonna affect it or not, but these are all tests, so we can try it out and see what it does.